So I'm not able to really use the keyboard, so most of my input focus is using mouse and on-screen keyboard, but also dictation. With certain programs, it's hard to use dictation, and then using the mouse for a keyboard can be rather cumbersome.
One of the biggest limitations that I face is I am very, very heavily reliant on voice. And it works pretty well for most things, but I really run into significant barriers where I need to be able to use my voice for other things, like more human interaction with people around me.
Cephable is an AI-powered software platform that empowers people to control their tech in new ways that work best for them, using things like adaptive voice controls, camera-based inputs, so multimodal controls. And so we partner with Microsoft to be able to help offload a lot of our machine learning model processes, like our computer vision pipeline, onto the new NPUs, the neural processing units. So for Snapdragon X Elite devices that are using NPUs, we can actually now run all of our computer vision stuff, so all the face tracking, the gesture tracking, things like that, entirely on the NPU.
The neural processing unit is local and secure. The processing power for AI workloads specifically is tremendous compared with the standard GPU and CPU. Being able to do all of your AI inferencing on the device reduces the burden associated with cloud compute costs and improves the performance and latency because you're not making the round trip to the cloud.
I'm really excited for users to be able to have access to these new devices. That way we can really see the situations where they said, hey, I had to make these changes, I had to close certain apps, or I had to turn down these graphics, for us to say, like, try again now without making those changes. Like, try turning the graphics all the way up in that game, or try running all these different apps, and where you felt limitation, that limitation is gone now.
I'm really excited by being able to upload more of the assistive tech burden onto the NPU, so that as a user with a disability, you don't feel like you're having to compromise and choose between sort of the first class experience or the accessible experience. It's the best of both worlds.